For this tutorial we'll be using Lore, which is a yarn by the Fibre Co. It's a 100% lambswool DK weight woolen spun yarn, sourced and spun in the UK from the Romney sheep breed. To find out more about Lore and our other yarns as well as our knitting patterns, head over to www.thefibreco.com. To knit a short row on the right side of the fabric, so the knit side of the fabric, you knit as many stitches as the pattern calls for. And so I've knitted as many as the pattern calls for, and now I'm going to do what they call a wrap and turn. So the first thing you do is you leave your yarn at the back of the work, you slip the next stitch purlwise, then you bring your yarn to the front of the work, slip the stitch back onto your left hand needle, and then bring that yarn between the needles to the back again, and now you can turn. And that is your wrap and turn. So now you work back, so I'm purling to the end of my row. Now if I turn my work over, you can see that here we have the wrap stitch, and that just has that little wrap of fabric of yarn in front of it. So here we go, here's our wrap stitch. You'll spot it, it just feels different to the rest of your work, and it just has that little loop of yarn around the stitch. So you put your needle through that, and then you put your needle through as if to knit the stitch that it's wrapping. So I'll just show you again, through there and through there. Then you wrap the yarn around as if to knit it, and just make sure that you pull that, you pull that wrap stitch over. And you'll see that that's knitted into the fabric now, and it should be relatively difficult to spot.